I don't know much, but there's two things that I do know. Number one is that I've always loved cameras. And over the last few years, I've been really enjoying film photography. Thing number two, remember how at the beginning of the video I said there was two things that I knew? Well, this is thing two, is that side tables are boring. I just think that furniture should have a bit more character and be fun. So I'm going to attempt to merge these two things and create a side table in the shape of this. My favorite film stock, Kodak Ultramax 400. It all starts where most of my projects begin. Oh, I just had an idea for a table. Nope, sorry, actually, after that. The place where I get all my building materials. I'm on a quest to find stuff that will work to build the film table. And I already know what I'm after for the first piece of the puzzle. Oh, it's two in there. I'm thinking one of these will be the main tube piece. Like obviously cut down a bit smaller, but look at that, should be perfect. Next, I gotta figure out what to do for the two end caps. I'm thinking maybe wood. I looked at a lot of different options and wandered the aisles, but I just couldn't find anything that would work. I was feeling pretty hopeless, to be honest, until I saw these bucket lids. Okay, hold up. Just had a crazy idea. What if this fits perfect? Oh my goodness. Look at that perfect fit. This is what they mean when they say destiny. Definitely getting those. Like one on the top, one at the bottom, painted black. No crazy wood cutting or anything. Just meant to be. Next thing I gotta find is a smaller tube part for the top, and PVC pipe, I think, is gonna do the trick. But then I realized just how many overwhelming variations of PVC pipe existed. And so I spent the next 12 minutes looking through all the different sizes and shapes until I found this glorious thing. Oh, I think I found it. It's a drain piece, but look at that. That should work perfectly. This is the most random collection of stuff, but I'm so excited because I can finally envision it. Black cap. I take the metal piece off and then boom. Can really start to envision it now. I'm excited right now. All right, back to the studio. It's time to put it all together. Oh yeah, I got some spray paint too. Using some wire and other random stuff, I made this janky setup to hold the lids nicely. Oh my goodness. It just got so windy. This janky setup is not wind resistant, but we're going anyways. Next, it was time to cut the table to size, and I figured an electric sawzall would work. This should work. Which it didn't. So then I switched to a regular old school saw, which took longer but did the trick. And boom, there we go. That's the shape right there. Perfect height for a little side table. Nice. The next day I took apart the weird drain thingy and glued it to the top bucket lid. Clearly I was very happy with how it was looking so far. Then I got some primer and just painted the entire thing. That'll do. Sweet. All right, it's actually not sweet. One, I got paint on my shirt, so hence the new shirt. And number two, I realized that there's like these indents that go all the way around the whole tube, and I want it to be completely smooth, so I'm gonna use some of this drywall spackling. Oh yeah, that'll work. It's just gonna take forever, but that'll work. Thankfully, it didn't take forever, but you know what did? The sanding that came afterwards. That took so long. Whew, just inhaled that. Finally, it was nice and smooth. I added some more primer, and here's how it's looking so far. I'm actually really excited about it. I didn't film it at all because I was just in the zone doing it, but I added this part right here, which is the little spot where the film comes out of the roll. Only a few more steps to go until it's done. I gotta add some paint and all the words and give this thing some color. Back to what I said earlier about being in the zone and not wanting to film too much. This is a feeling I have definitely been struggling with sometimes. Like, I wanna do cool projects and I wanna share them with you, but also at the same time, I wanna just jam out to some good music and work away. So that's what I'm doing here, hence the time lapses and this voiceover, so thanks for understanding. Okay, actually, here's a satisfying tape peel for you. And one more, just cause I like you. I needed that, just to chill out, get some painting done. Next up is all the words and all the little details. This part took quite a long time, and it was definitely the most challenging, but it was the fun type of challenge. I just kind of freehanded it and tried to get it as accurate as possible. I also added a layer of resin to give it like a nice protective shine. Oh, I'm really excited with how it's looking. There's only one final thing left to do. I want there to be a piece of film coming out of the roll like this, and I got something on Amazon that I think should be perfect. So it's this stuff that goes over top of windows. Oh, and I hope this is gonna look exactly like film. I cut it up, used wire to hold it into place, and you know what? Let's just cut ahead to the final reveal. Ladies and gentlemen, here it is in all its glory. What I believe is the world's first Kodak film roll table. Another really fun project that I fumbled my way through. It's actually highly functional though. Oh, and I built a secret film camera storage that goes on the inside. Well, I guess now it's not a secret anymore. Dang it, I keep doing that. Thanks for watching. See ya.